guys, what is up? Welcome back. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Briszell, and today I am going to be unboxing my first subscription box in a very long time. Now, this subscription box is the IZZY&LIV. It is their subscription box for $45 a month, and I absolutely love this picture. This picture looks amazing. And then it says, yes, it is their brown sugar box. I love this picture like so much. Now let's get on to it. All right, so the first item is this magazine, and it says the box is $123 value. Okay, so okay, oh Lord Jesus. Okay, so there's this magazine that I really do look forward to reading. I believe it has, yes it does. It has the items that are in the box, and it just gives a little bit more, like the price of each item and a little description. So that is pretty good. So Alright, so the first item comes in this pretty pink box. It is a yellow phone stand. Ooh, okay. And you want to know something? I was just thinking, I really do need a stand to put my phone on, especially when I be making my videos. And I think this will really come in handy. Okay. Okay. No. The next item is some pins. Ooh, and they have like pictures on all of them, and they're individually wrapped. Ooh, I like that. Queenin', Goddess, Unbothered, Good Vibes, and what is the last one? Radiance. Ooh, that is pretty cool. Okay. All right, now this, whoa. All right, so this was in the box. I'm not sure if something was supposed to be inside of here. I feel like something should have been in here. I really actually don't know. I really don't know, but it was inside of the box, so I don't know. I think it was supposed to be another item. I don't know. I really don't know. So the next item is some pins. Ooh, you get 4 pins with pictures on them. Ooh, I love the colors they used. I love that. Okay. Ooh, the next item that I did get, which I had to open the package, but the next item is a unisex, is a t-shirt, and it says sophisticated, educated, and melanated. That is so freaking cool. I really do look forward to seeing all the other shirts that I'm going to receive, because I love shirts. Like, I love collecting them. I love buying them. So yes, I can't wait to wear that one. All right. So the next product is, it comes in, okay. So the next product came in this case. And I like it. Ooh. These are blue light glasses. Let me take the sticker off. Ooh, look at that. it. I don't really wear glasses that often, but I'll most definitely be wearing these. How do I look? You like them? Ooh, these are kind of cute though. Okay. Okay, I like that. Let's put it back inside the container. Ooh, and the last product that I received is the 12-piece lipstick set. Yo, I don't really wear lipstick that often, but we gonna try out some lipstick, okay? I'm gonna try to open this. Take this plastic off though. And then this is their website right there if you guys wanna get your box. All right. Ooh, that is so cute. Look, y'all. Oh my goodness. I love this packaging. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Okay, so they have indigo. Let's just take one of these out. That is so freaking cute. Like, oh my goodness. Oh, and the container is nice and sturdy. The top is nice and sturdy. You guys see that? That is a pretty color. Now, I'm not going to swatch these because I don't want to put them on my lips, but I am going to try them out one day. And then they have, oh, and these are all matte lipsticks too. In my bag. Ooh, y'all, look at that color. Wow. That is a pretty color. Let's put these in back the way they were because I really love this packaging. And then this next one is Act Up. This is actually, okay, so I lied. Let me just retract what I said. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 matte colors and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 glossy colors. All right, and this is the next one. The next color. And then the next color is On My Way. Not my favorite shade, but I guess it's cute. So the next color is, oh Lord, y'all. I'm doing this all wrong. Y'all, so I thought that the colors were going with the picture like that they have in the box on the lid, and it's not. These are just like all of the shades they have. I guess I should have looked at the container because it actually shows. Wow. Okay, anyways guys, so just a little recap. So indigo, in my bag. Yeah, in my bag was correct. And then act up. Yeah, that was correct. Okay, so this one that I thought was in my way, I'm on the way, is actually brunching. It's actually brunching. All right, so the next one is actually caramel. The next one is caramel sundae. Ooh, that is, okay, I think this is my favorite color. And this one is actually, this one is glossy. So I think that if I was to wear a lipstick, it would be something close to this color. Okay. Okay. Now the next color is Grown Folks Business. Okay. Oh, it's kind of like a red. It probably is a red. Ooh. Look at that. Okay. The next one is I'm on the way. Okay, so this was the one. Ooh, that is a pink. And this on the way is a matte color. That is pretty. I don't know about pink, but that is pretty. The next one is Left on Red. Oh, ooh, ooh. And it's more of an orange red color. All right. Now the next color is Cinnamon with an S. Okay. Ooh, and it's like a, ooh, it's a brownish. Color. I think this one might be a nude. Okay. So the next color is Send Nudes. Send Nudes. Ooh. Yes, it is. It's more of a nude colored lipstick. I think this one is a glossy lipstick. This one is a glossy lipstick. Oh man, I'm tired. All right, and the next one is a Mood Forever. Ooh. Ooh. And the Mood Forever is a matte lipstick. Oops, I'm messing stuff up. And the last lipstick that I have is the Merilux Tales. I feel like I'm not saying that right, but and it is a matte lipstick. Okay, it's more like purple. Purple. Okay, that is all 12 of the that is all 12 of the glossy and matte lipsticks that I received. Okay, again, y'all, this packaging, I love this box for the lipsticks. It is amazing. Like this, make sure they're all in there because this is how you do it. I love this box. I think my favorite part about this whole entire box was the packaging for this lipstick. Like, I like it. I am gonna try these lipsticks out, but not right now because, you know, I don't want to do all that. And that is the last item. That is all of the items that I received in my August box. Now this, I was trying to figure it out because I'm not sure why I received an empty container. So I'm going to look at the items that I should have received. Now, I see all of the items that I purchased. You see the t-shirt, the glasses, what else? This bag is the only thing that I did not receive. But I think in replace of that bag is actually the pins, because I don't see the pins on here. They're not on here. But I received everything else that is here. I really do wish that I would have received a bag instead of the pins, because that would have been cool. These bags actually look really good. That would have really been cool. It was, the total value of this whole entire box is $123, which I think is really cool. So yes. Okay. Wow, that lipstick set was $50? What? Yeah, see, I really do wish that I got the pins instead. I mean, I got the bag instead, because those pins, it doesn't say what they are on here. Ooh, and this looks actually really good. This looks like a really good magazine to read, so I am going to read this. But that is going to be the end of this video. Has anybody tried out the IZZY&LIV brown sugar box? Has anybody tried it out? Let me know if you liked it or if you didn't, or if you're thinking about getting it, let me know. If you're not subscribed, please, if you're not subscribed and you want to continue to receive, if you're not subscribed and you would like to continue to receive videos from me, hit the subscription button down below. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really does help me out a lot. I hope you guys have a wonderful, always remember, guys, to smile, stay positive, keep pushing forward, keep working on yourselves. Put in the necessary effort to make sure that you're good before you sit there and make sure somebody else is good, because you can't love another person if you don't even love yourself. So let's just focus on ourselves. Okay. Always remember, guys, to smile, stay positive, spread that positive vibe, and always remember, guys, to smile, stay positive, spread that positive vibe, and continue to put in the necessary work to become better, to improve, to make a change in this world. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.